Hello my friends, welcome back. Leanna here. I finally ordered my BK Beauty brushes and they came in the mail yesterday. These have been on my wish list for quite some time and I finally decided to just go ahead and break down and order the brushes. They come with this nice little card and a little message on it from Lisa, who is the owner of BK Beauty. She is an influencer here on YouTube. She has a YouTube channel. I will link it down below. And she designed these brushes. They come very nicely wrapped. So I have, as some of you know that have been following me for a while, my children were here and I had been busy visiting with them for a week, and I am very behind on all of my unboxings and unbaggings and all that sort of thing. I have tons of boxes that I need to open and do a video on, but I had to do these first because I am dying to use these brushes, and some of the videos that I have coming up will be makeup, and I want to use these brushes so that I can kind of review them for you. So like I said, they come very well packaged. I ordered the entire set because why wouldn't I? So let's unwrap them. I cannot tell you how badly I wanted to open these yesterday. Here's the eye set. They're all in individual bags to keep them nice. I have watched a couple of videos of people who love these brushes and talk about how soft they are. They are very soft. The handles are very nice. It has a very nice ferrule on it. Each brush is numbered. This is a 203. Very soft. I did some research on these brushes to make sure that they were vegan and cruelty-free. I really wanted a cruelty-free set of brushes. And these are all synthetic fibers. They feel really nice. They're very soft, yet they have a little bit of firmness to them so that when you're blending they just don't, you know, mush all over the place. Very nice set of brushes. So you have the 204, which is a smudging brush. This is the 201, which is a very nice size blending brush. This is a 205. It looks like a contour brush. This is the 202, another blending brush. And this is a 203, which to me looks like a packing brush, but I don't believe that that's what that's called. The eye brush set is supposed to be really good for hooded eyes, and as you can see, I do have hooded eyes. So if you have mature hooded eyes, you might want to consider trying out the BK Beauty brush set. So now let's open up the face brushes. This is the set that has the bunny brush in it that I'm so excited about. And I'm also very excited, my excited face, about the foundation brush. And these are the 4 face brushes. They have a very, very nice weight to them. The handles are beautiful. I just love them. The 2 brushes that I was most excited about is this 102 brush, which Maria at Nightstar Beauty calls her bunny brush because it's so soft. Oh my gosh. That is incredible. incredibly soft. That is I'm assuming it's a powder brush. Look at, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Very, very, very pretty brush. So incredibly soft. I cannot wait to use that. I was also really excited about the 101 foundation brush. That as well is nice and soft, but it's very dense, so it should spread your foundation very nicely. I'm very curious to test this out with some foundation. This is the 104, which I would use for powders, you know, to set. You could also use it for blush if you wanted to. Of course, the 103 could as well be used as a blush bronzer brush. If somebody says that a brush is intended for a certain use, I don't really pay any attention to that. I use them in whatever manner suits me best. But these are, oh my goodness, they are so incredibly soft. Very exciting. So the entire set is 9 brushes. You get the 5 eye brush set and then the 4 face brushes. So this is just a quick little video so that I could unbox my brushes so I can use them, because I could not wait. Oh, I could not wait to put my hands on them. Oh my gosh, if you just have no idea how good that feels. So there we go. There's my BK Beauty Essential Brush Set. Is that what it's called? The Essential Brush Collection is what it is called. So thank you for spending a few minutes of your day with me to watch me unbox my BK Beauty brushes. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and hit that subscription button if you're not already a subscriber. And I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, you need a bunny brush, but a fake one, because we don't hurt bunnies, you know? Because if we hurt the bunnies, there'll be no Easter. There'll be no Easter eggs, and then the kids will be sad. And we can't do all of that. So get you a fake bunny brush so that you can get pretty for when you go fishing. Okay, Mama loves you, boo.